You got to bend down to catch it. You got to bend down to catch it.
We're done.
The paper glider that I like to do, and this is 8.5 by 8.5. So if you just take a copy paper and cut it into a square, it doesn't have to be that size. It can actually go smaller. But I fold it in half, and then I take the raw edge and fold it back to the center, that first crease we did, and then you unfold the center line crease. Fold it in half this way, so the quarter strip is now on the outside. And stand this up at a right angle, and it should work if you just valley fold if it's too complex, but what it should be is a squash fold. You just line this crease up to the line there. Take this flap and fold it back. Flip it over, do the same thing on this side. Hold that flap back again. And then you open the whole model up to the center. So you have like what looks like a house maybe. And then we take this tip, because we have to blunt the tip, and we fold past this layer here. And you go maybe about that much. It's a rat fold, so right about there. Fold it in half backwards. Now you have two edges. This one's short, this one's long. You want the long edge to match up to the spine of the plane, so you have to fold through the thickness of the head. So it goes like that. Okay. Flip it over, repeat. And there you have the paper glider. And I've had requests from people that want to know how to do this because of how I make it kind of boomerang around. And we're kind of outdoors, so I don't know if it'll come back to me, but what I do is the wings have to be either level or maybe slightly above. And then I'm right-handed, and I want it to curve to the left, so I'm going to kind of curve this rear elevator here. And then I have to just test how it wants to fly, and then I either tweak it more or I adjust the angle that I release it at. And so I don't know if it's going to come back to me. That was good. Because of the weather here, because there's a little bit of a breeze going, but test it out. You can feel that wind. So wait a moment. Okay.
Wow!
I just can't catch. Go ahead.
But it's kind of like it's kind of the wave in videotaping today or movie making.
Huh? I think so. So Half Paper Will Travel is the name of the blog. Whoa. Get that in.
Okay, coming through.
Sorry. Would you like to make something? Would you like to make
Hi, I'm Lucas Bartosich, and I was cameraman for the last 2 videos. Bye.